Hi, myself Steliphan. I completed my bachelor's degree in Dr. N.G.P Institute of Technology, and my project is about healthcare clinic management. So I'm going to explain my topic. Later that I joined in Qtree. Here I pursued the course .NET Full Stack Developer. So based on that, I built a project on my own. So here we go. So this is the guest page. From this, we can access our management portal. So in this, if we enter, these are all the email IDs where we can enter our mail ID and passwords to enter our details. So here there are certain roles here. First is the admin role and second one is the doctor role, third receptionist and laboratorian role. So if we log in as a doctor, we have to choose a particular mail ID for that and password, relevant password to that. So only we can enter and we can manage the details over there. So here we, okay, let me show first. admin.gmail.com. Password is admin and the role is admin. So after I registered the, you can see the doctors table and laboratorian table and receptionist table. So from here you can control a whole clinic system. Okay. First, doctor. You can see here that the number of doctors, names and phones and their uh, specifications and their addresses, which are all given here. So if I enter a name as Suman, phone number is as email ID as Suman. After clicking save button, you can see the label message as receptionist added. So here you can check the name Sumant and respective email IDs and password over here. Okay, if I make sure to copy these details, particular details. Okay, this is the laboratorian details. If I enter this credential in this account, so sumant@gmail.com and his password is sumant at 123. So his role is laboratorian. Yeah, here you can see the page called laboratorian test details. This is the page where the laboratorian only can have the access to enter the laboratory related details like test name and test course, like that. If you can edit this page is controlled by only laboratorian and the admin. So if you want to change anything here, select this data and you can click the delete button. It will automatically delete it. If you want to enter a detail of this particular thing, you can enter this value as, and you can click, you can finally see the value here. And the last one is the receptionist table. From here, I will enter the credential for the receptionist and password. After clicking that, this will be controlled by receptionist. Basically, if we go to a clinic, the receptionist will be there. So they only enter their patient details. So here you can see the patient details over here, their address, phone number, and what kind of allergies they have. So from that you can collect their data and enter into the patient details. So these details can be edited and deleted, whatever the same procedures like laboratorian did and the doctors did. Now it is the time to check the doctor's table credential. I am entering the email address and the password. So I'm going to select the role. If I fail to select the role, it will show an error message like select a role. So I'm again doing that. See, this will be redirected to the prescription details. So from here, the doctors can handle that how many patients are there. If the patient name Steliphan and Raja Taufik, from there you can see the patient details that are collected in the that are collected by the receptionist. That will be appear here. So and the lab test, the laboratorian entered the lab test, the different types of lab tests like HIV, urine test, eye test, and blood test. So that and all will be appear here. So the doctor needs to enter the allergy medicines for that particular patient and the cost of the medicine. So that is the role where the doctors is here implementing. So here I selected the loratadine and the patient name is Steliphan and the cost of the data is 600. So if I save this, it will be updated, prescription updated. So it will here you can see the prescription that loratadine and the blood test and the cost of the allergy. That's it.